in and get a couple weapons. Yeah, I turn to a beast when I'm repping. You are now watching the legend, so sit back and let
Who the hell? Oh, they. Oh yeah, look right here, right here, like right on me.
Yeah, buddy with the crypto drone right here. They have a portal.
This guy's about to grab this thing.
Hit it for 45.
You should have left, dude. I'm going to kill you.
Yo, Dark, you want to zip over to Houston? Yeah.
Goodbye.
We're doing great. Only 2 other squads remain.
Don't let this Gibby get away. Don't let him get away. He's gonna throw an ult.
They got blue shields back there.
Where's that third team?
I don't know.
What the fuck is this team doing? They're like rushing, or they don't know we're here. They don't know we're here. Cover, 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 cover.
This garage. He's finishing me off.
Cover, please.
They're like one.
Just remember to trade. Sit down. You have nades up there or no? Nice.
Good stuff, guys.
Wraith is fucking fried.
No Q for Wraith? One more?
One shot. What the?
Can you rate us out? Out through the portal?
They're pushing, they're pushing.
Oh my god, just start right down.
Dude. Fucking. Oh, that's why. This guy was right here.
He's moving around to the left.
Here? Yeah, you have to push back. Kyle?
I don't think I can.
They're fighting each other?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Dude, push back. But he doesn't have much health. There's another squad rolling in.
Can you write that, please?
Anything over here?
Thanks.
You're better off dead, but I could use the cover.
Yeah, here.
There's a guy behind the flashbang.
Here, Jake, take this.
One right here.
I'm out of heavy.
I don't have any.
Okay.
Dude, what the fuck is going on right now?
I have 6 and I'm not the kill leader.
Oh, they're like real hurt.
Beginning ring countdown.
Their shields on a couple of them.
On me.
Broke.
Good shit.
Oh, holy shit, that was the last one?
Dude, that's what I was saying. All the teams rolled in here, bro.
I had no idea.
Welcome to the YouTube channel.
Damn. Alright. That's a good start.
Try to keep up.
Let's do it.
Yeah. No guns.
I dropped the crypto. All you guys.
Go back up top.
Give you shield up top.
Got the Gibby down.
Another team.
Somebody with a grenade.
Right here, Shane, watch it.
Shut him up good.
More enemies down.
Reloading.
Wow, looks like that was the last one of the squad.
Another team.
Yep.
Okay, one shot.
Spotting target.
Trying to stick the res.
I
I'm
can't
gonna-
fucking see
I'm
anything.
gonna jump off
Got him.
Okay.
Brought me back.
if I need to. I guess I don't need to.
Killed the last.
Yeah, I don't think you need to anymore.
Great.
People
People
jumping in.
He's roasted up top.
We got 9
One tap,
bullets.
one tap.
Using grapple.
That one's down.
I'm down. I didn't get any damage on him.
I did. I need help though, I'm out of ammo.
Nice. Hell yeah, Kyle.
Nice work. You're good to kill leader. Congrats.
Oh, there's a team coming behind us. Dropping on us right here. Yeah, right here.
Oh yeah.
Purple dead.
One's a diamond up top.
Let's explore this way.
She phased.
We need to kill this one first.
Setting a tunnel.
One health.
Got her.
Enemy down.
Watch the tunnel, because I bet you they're coming through.
Right here.
He's right here. One shot. Got him.
Enemy taken down.
Not the only one.
I need a heavy like no one's tomorrow. I'm only taking a little bit. Anyone else need it? Oh wait, no, y'all don't. Y'all don't need it. Thank you. That's all mine. Who needs shields? I have all the shields. Some of them are going in this box.
I need extended lights so you guys see it.
Where's the third person?
Broke.
I'll let you guys handle that one.
Shut it down.
He's flesh. Got him. Gotta go though.
Recharging shield.
Anybody get? They have an extended light at all?
Yes.
Yeah, I need that.
Fuck, I thought I had Phoenix.
I got one if you want it.
It's all good. I got plenty of other heals.
Look at the map. The next ring is far.
Gotta heal. Taking a knee. Recharging shield. Giving my shield to recharge.
Oh, they just won.
I'm repairing myself.
Yeah, I'm trying to heal.
Same.
Chain, take this.
Oh, dude, there's 2 teams here.
Line deployed.
Healing up. Give me
Don't push too hard, Kyle. Don't push too hard.
Okay. I'm pushing too hard.
Knocked one.
that one's down.
Broke.
Flash. Phasing out, trying to set a portal.
Did I just do that? Did I just do that?
You did, bro.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, right above me.
No. Broke.
Hey, bubble red over here. Never mind on me. Right here, boys. shit, good shit. Shane, if you want to bubble and res.
Stay by.
They're pushing over.
One of them's cracked.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Another one's cracked.
Crack.
Get him, boys.
Not too far. We should hustle. One down. Shields
You got one left. He's inside, healing.
ID's right here. Oh, Watson fence. I stole the shit out of that.
Can you bubble and get him?
Yep.
shield out.
Another team, another team, another team.
Repairing my damages.
Recharging shields.
Come on, heal up. Coming up.
Down, one down, one down.
Zone's coming.
Where I'm getting shot at. I just went right into a grenade. Got him.
Just run, 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 run.
Oh, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you.
You have a gold backpack?
No,
Fuck. You should run.
it's fine,
You
it's
guys
fine.
got plenty. You guys got plenty of heals.
Yep.
Nope. That was.
I'm down. Pick me up.
Fuck.